Yo, just got a quick market recap today. Didn't take any trades today, because nothing really showed up. And then also, I don't know about tomorrow because tomorrow's unemployment claims. So, tomorrow's FOMC and then Thursday's unemployment claims and then Friday, I don't really know. Tomorrow I have a math exam as well, so I don't think I'll be able to trade because it's at 8:30 a.m. I'll probably get up early and then like shower and do all that stuff earlier and then get ready. But at the same time, like, I don't even know if it's like worth it like that, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, I don't really know. But we'll see. I'll make the decision after I make this video. So now GBP/USD, let's go over this quickly. 4 hours bullish going into market open, and I was looking for potential long positions. Initially, this looked pretty good, and that kind of caused me to have some hope that I'd be like, yo, shit, I'm going to be able to find something today. But it's like, psych, nah, we're not going to do anything. Like, in my mind, when I saw that shit, I was like, bro, like, there's no way I don't take a trade, you know? And that caused me to have the expectation of the trade, and that caused me to like have some false hope that things would work out. And that's like the wrong thing to do, you know, because if the expectation doesn't get fulfilled like it did today, the emotion will kind of like build up and it'll just cause me to feel like shit, you know, and that's just not good, bro, because like on the next days I'll just feel like more shit, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, it's just more shit, bro, like that's what I'm saying, you know? So it's like, that's why I want to keep neutral, like mindset, like don't have any idea of taking a trade, don't have any expectation that something will happen in my favor. So it's just like stay patient, be objective, and come into the markets with zero expectations, just like how it gets zero bitches. You know what I'm saying? So your GBP/USD, like I said, 4 hours bullish, looking for lows to get taken, which we did. Also, we formed a London low right at NY Open, but we also took out these Asian lows around 5 a.m. So this was pretty good for me. That would be enough of like a sweep if we did anything. And with that, I was honestly looking for like a potential S&T with these 1 hour lows with Euro USD DXY. No, it was Euro USD. But I realized that it was, I don't think it was, actually no, it was the same low. We took out these lows on Euro USD, but GBP/USD at the time we didn't take it out, so it looked like a potential S&T, like a potential thing to like use as confluence. But you know, it didn't end up working out. We didn't end up getting a proper setup, and I want to say like I got really close to entering. I got like this close to entering, but it's like I didn't enter, and if I entered, it would have been a loss. So that would have been pretty tragic, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, but I say you're not saying too much, bro. Do I think I'm black? Nah. I love my bad people, bro. Anyways, bro, I'm actually tweaking, bro. I have a math exam. Did I already tell you? I think I already told you that. But I have a math exam tomorrow, bro, and I'm low-key kind of like, I'm not scared for it, but it's like I got chem as well on Friday, which I'm kind of cooked for as well. But yeah, let me, bro, my back is itchy. Okay, so what was I saying? So you come take out the London low. This looked pretty nice. At this point, I was like, yo, am I going to miss this move? Are we just going to keep on going up? And I was considering, honestly, like waiting for this inverse for value gap to get inverted. Like, I was waiting for this for value gap to get inverted and then see a retracement into equilibrium and then take a potential long to the upside, you know, like inverse this. Sometimes, you know, go up, inverse, right, and then come back down into equilibrium 0.5 and then start going up, or retrace into like some kind of like fair value gap. But you know, that didn't happen. You know, we never ended up inversing it, and we actually broke structure to the downside. So I wasn't really looking to take anything until we broke structure to the upside. We formed a fair value gap there, so I was like, yo, if we can invert this fair value gap, I'll be willing to enter on something, target with like the fair value, with like TP at like the high that we formed. But you know, we didn't end up doing that. We ended up inversing this gap here. But it's like we also had news at 8 a.m. I don't know if I told you that either. But I have like bad memory. I don't know if I'm like sped. Like I promise you I didn't ride the short bus on the way home, like after school, but it's like I genuinely, like, bro, people be saying I'm slow in real life, but I think I'm book smart though. Like, you know, I get like pretty high grades. I'm above average, I would say. But it's like for other things like real life communication, just real life application, I feel like I'm pretty retarded sometimes. But it's like, it's all good, bro. We have our strengths and our weaknesses. You know, like TJR is retarded. So it's like, you know, like it's fine, bro. It's calm, bro. It's cool. It's calm. But yeah, anyways, I wasn't looking to trade like an hour before red folder news, so that's why I like stayed off the charts from like 7 to 8. I think I have it right here. But yeah, we had news at 8. I don't even know which one it was. Don't mind the deep seek. But there was news. I think it was Jolts, and then we also had ADP weekly. Bro, that shit they just spawned that shit in, bro. It said tentative, and then I looked on the thing like 5 minutes before the thing comes out. I was like, oh shit, psych, it's at 6:15. So it just ended up being at 6:15, I guess. That's probably why we had a large week here. But yeah, that's kind of, but I don't even know where I'm going with this. But GBP/USD, that's a quick explanation. But yeah, okay, now Euro USD now. But I'm so out of it. Euro USD 4 hour with bullish as well. I'm like 99% sure. Yeah, we inversed this fair value gap to the upside. So, you know, looking for longs, potential longs. If we could take out the lows, maybe even take out this low, which we did right at NY Open. Look for potential long opportunities. The only thing I didn't like about this is that we had 2 stacked like fair value gaps that were kind of like you know, like opposed to like where I want it to go. So ideally I want to see like, yo, we inverse this, you know, similar to the last one, come up here, inverse this, inverse close above, and then retrace into equilibrium or retrace into a fair value gap, and then start going up. You know, that would have been pretty good, but you know, we didn't end up doing that. So yeah, that's pretty much EURUSD. GBP JPY, this honestly looked clean. It looked clean, but it just didn't end up giving a set. Like this looked really nice, like really nice, but I didn't get like a setup that I wanted. It didn't show my entry kind of thing, and that's why I sat out of it. So I was clearly bullish going into market open. Now on the 30-minute, we had London lows, which are also a 1 hour low right here, and then we had 1 hour highs with the London high as well. So already this looks pretty good. We opened quite close to the London lows. So in my mind, I'm like, yo, shit, this looks pretty good. This looks pretty good. But it's like, what happened? No, we didn't do that. We get hedged for the first 30 minutes. And then we get close to the like tipping point, right? It's like, yeah, we're gonna come down. You're gonna be able to find an entry, but then it's like, psych, we're gonna leave without you. And this kept on going, but we didn't take out any low. We didn't even go like into this area that I kind of want to see like this. So yeah, bro, that's like kind of why I sat out. See, look, fair value gap, retrace, respect, go up. It's very simple things. Very simple things indeed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, this would have looked pretty good if we could have come maybe come a bit more, maybe even earlier. But you know, I didn't end up doing that, so it's all good. So on to the next, bro. Tomorrow, what do I have tomorrow? Tomorrow I have a math exam. I don't even know how I want this to work, because I have to leave the house by like 7:40, and it takes me about like 30 minutes to get ready, and I also have to make my breakfast, which is like 20 minutes, and eat the breakfast, which is 20 minutes. It's like 20 minutes total. So I don't know what I want to do. The exam is 3 hours long as well, so I don't know what the method is to like wake up like super early, like wake up at like 4:30, shower and like eat breakfast and get all that done, and then do my trading stuff, or to look on the charts in the morning and then do it, and then just do it while I'm on the charts, because we do have news at 6:30, so I'm not going to trade before that. I think the method is I'll wake up at the same time, chart up, and then start making breakfast like right from the get-go, and then and what the fuck is... Yo, I low-key want to watch Snowfall. Like, I want to start watching a TV show, because I feel like everyone's watching a TV show, but at the same time, like, do I really want to, or is that just like my like pussy brain talking, you know? But I really want to watch Snowfall. It seems pretty cool, because he's like hustling for the money, and I'm hustling for the money too. So, well, am I really? I think I am. I mean, I'm quoting this fucking video right now. Okay, but anyways, what was the plan? Okay, I think the plan is to wake up at the same time, and then just chart up, then make breakfast, drink my coffee at the same time, then eat my breakfast, get that stuff done, see if anything shows up. If not, shower, but keep on monitoring the charts, and then just go to school, and then pray for the exam. So yeah, that's pretty much all. I'll see you tomorrow. I need to sleep early, because I need to have a clear mind for the exam. Bro, today I tried studying, bro. I'm actually cooked, bro. But yeah, I'll see you later. Goodbye.